Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Meron pong good news. Itong memorandum galing sa Department of Education, Office of the Secretary. Basahin po natin, Ito po ay tungkol sa SRI. Ito ay advisory on the release of FY 2025 Service Recognition Incentive or SRI. This refers to Administrative Order Number 40 dated December 11, 2025 titled Authorizing the Grant of SRI to Government Employees for Fiscal Year 2025 and DBM Budget Circular Number 2025-3 dated December 15, 2025 titled Guidelines on the Grant of Service Recognition Incentive to Government Employees for FY 2025, which authorized and provide guidelines on the grant of a one-time service recognition incentive or SRI at a uniform rate not exceeding 20,000 pesos for its qualified government employees. Please be informed that the DepEd shall grant a service recognition incentive in the amount of 20,000 pesos per eligible employee. Wow, ang galing. 20,000 talaga. Subject to the conditions governing the grant of SRI provided under Section 2 of the said AO. In relation thereto, the following reminders are hereby issued regarding the release and payment of the SRI. The DepEd Central Office shall download funds to the regional offices through the issuance of sub-allotment release order or sub-arrow computed at 14,500 pesos only per eligible employees. The remaining balance shall be downloaded upon approval of the request for modification of allotments submitted to the DBM pursuant to Section 4 of the said AO to complete the 20,000 SRI. DepEd operating units with available cash allocation may start paying the SRI up to 14,500 pesos only. Nako, pag may pera na pala, pwede na magbayad. Thank you po. Pag ganon, Ito pa. For DepEd operating units without available cash allocation but remaining MDS sub-accounts with the Land Bank of the Philippines, the DepEd Central Office will transfer cash through a Notice of Transfer of Allotment or NTA, computed at 10,000 pesos only per eligible personnel. DepEd OUs maintaining their MDS sub-accounts with other government servicing banks shall coordinate with their respective DBM regional offices at the department as already requested the issuance of the notices of cash allocations, and the SRI shall be credited to the respective ATM payment accounts of the eligible employees. So, this time, ATM na po, hindi na po ito cash na ibibigay. So, once the request for modification of allotments has been approved and the corresponding special allotment release order has been released by the DBM, the DepEd Central Office shall download the remaining amount of SRI necessary to complete the uniform rate of 20,000 per eligible employee. The concerned offices are hereby enjoined to obligate the allotment strictly within the validity period of the PS appropriations, which is until December 31, 2025. Any amount not paid within the said period shall be considered due and demandable accounts payable in accordance with existing budgeting, accounting, and auditing rules and regulations for strict compliance. Nako, thank you po. Pag ganyan, talagang 20,000 pesos po ito, pero mauuna na po yung 14,500. At sa ATM po ito ilalagay, hindi po cash gaya ng dati. Hanggang dito na lang po mga ka-Jesnabs. Bye-bye!